Number 1. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline, priced at $19,800. An Aero sedan with a two-door fastback coupe street rod, powered by a Camaro 350 engine with 4-bolt mains and a TH350 automatic transmission with an oil cooler. The car features new paint and interior, a removed roof, and a lowered body. It has split rear windows, rear coilover springs, power steering, power brakes, and painless wiring. A new AC heater unit, not installed, is included. New brakes, wheel cylinders, wheel bearings, and shocks have been installed, along with 205/65/15 front tires and 225/70/15 rear tires. Additionally, it has a new fuel tank, radiator, and battery, and comes with complete paperwork. Interested buyers are advised to inquire about the installation of the AC heater unit and any additional costs that may be required. This vehicle seems like a good investment for classic car enthusiasts. Number 2. 1956 Chevrolet BelAir 2-door, priced at $14,200. A pillarless car with a 350 cu engine and a THM 350 transmission. It features an Edelbrock manifold, aluminum radiator with electric fan, front disc brake conversion, American racing wheels, power steering and brakes, dual exhaust, vintage AC, R134A, electric windshield wipers, flamethrower distributor, halogen headlights, American auto wire harness, custom remote stereo, installed seat belts, and Matador red India ivory paint. This car offers a combination of classic and modern elements with significant upgrades. It is recommended to check the condition of each upgraded component to ensure functionality and quality. This car is an ideal choice for those seeking modern performance and comfort. Number 3. 1953 Buick Special, priced at $18,900. In excellent running and driving condition. It has the original 8-cylinder engine, dual carburetors, and dual exhaust, upgraded with a dual master cylinder and front disc brakes for better driving safety. It features new interior, glass, and chrome that must be seen. Equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission and new radial tires that look like bias ply tires. For those seeking a combination of authenticity and safety enhancements, this car is a perfect choice. Number 4. 1949 Chevy Deluxe Coupe, priced at $18,300. Modified with custom Frenched headlights and taillights, powered by a 1994 Camaro LT1 engine with fuel injection, 4L60E transmission, and 10-bolt differential. Built well and ready for personal touches. It features a Mustang II front end, 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, shaved door handles, high-performance tires, and American racing aluminum wheels. Ideal for buyers looking for a classic car with modern touches and high performance. Number 5. 1951 Cadillac 62 Series, priced at $14,600. This elegant and timeless car is in excellent condition, running, driving, and stopping effectively. Although not yet a show car, its condition is excellent for its age, making it ideal for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Potential buyers should consider some minor restorations to elevate this Cadillac to show car status, enhancing its value and appeal. Number 6. 1951 Ford Custom, priced at $19,000. In excellent condition with a fully restored 302 Mustang engine, new interior, and new pearl paint. Rust-free with an older frame-off restoration, new interior, and pearl rose white paint. It features front disc brakes, remote door and trunk openers, and new wide white radial tires. Rewired for a 12-volt system and equipped with new striping. This car runs, drives, and stops well as it should. Number 7. 1959 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $16,500. A two-door hardtop design. Painted in classic blue, the car is in good condition with 68,000 miles. It comes with new tires and brakes and has had a recent tune-up. The car also includes fender skirts and a spare tire, stored indoors to maintain its condition. Easy to certify, it is recommended to check its maintenance history and conduct a thorough inspection before purchase to ensure all components are functioning well. Number 8. 1948 Oldsmobile Hot Rod, priced at $17,600. This eye-catching car is powered by an SBC 350 engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission with an Edelbrock carburetor and Batwing air cleaner and MT valve covers. It has an air ride suspension with remote side exit straight pipe exhaust, power front disc brakes and rear drums, and power steering. The glass and black leather interior are in like-new condition, with a white dashboard and updated gauges. It features black and chrome Riddler wheels with low-profile tires, push-button start, tilt steering column with a gold flake steering wheel, new seat belts, working heater, working wipers, all lights operational, but no radio or AC. The primer gray paint adds unique character, and this car always attracts attention. Number 9. 1951 Meteor Victoria, priced at $12,600. This beautiful car has undergone mechanical restoration over the past 2 years. All components from springs to the clock have been repaired. The rear features new 5-inch lowering springs from Posies, and front lowering springs and shocks are included but not yet installed. The distributor has been converted to a Chevy distributor, and the flathead engine runs very strong with no smoke. The chrome and stainless are in like-new condition, with paint done in the late 80s. This car is highly reliable for daily driving with great customization potential. The owner has too many cars and projects. Number 10. 1956 Plymouth Plaza, priced at $12,400. It has a 6-cylinder engine and a push-button automatic transmission. Although the paint is old, it still looks good with a solid body. Recently fitted with 15 American Racing aluminum wheels and nearly new tires. The interior has been updated, in as-is condition. A budget-friendly option for a fun daily driver. Check the description if interested. Number 11. 1950 Pontiac Starstreak, priced at $10,200, with a Crate 350 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. This hot rod Dodge Rat Rod could use new paint. The owner is looking to trade for an ATV, pontoon boat, jet ski, stand-up Sea-Doo, forklift, or heavy equipment, but does not accept snowmobiles. Number 12. 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe Sedan, priced at $11,000. It has a 2-door manual 3-speed column transmission and the original 218 flathead engine. This car runs and drives very well, although the radio does not work and is ready to be used. Number 13. 1955 Oldsmobile Rocket 88, priced at $19,800. The third owner of this car, which was a barn find after 34 years. It is in very good condition and has been in the family for 18 years. With 60 kilometers, it has 202 horsepower. It's time for someone new to enjoy this classic car. Number 14. 1957 Chevrolet 210 Sedan, priced at $14,600. With 84,000 kilometers and active status, it has recently completed an OPI inspection. This car has classic charm with patina exterior and a completed chassis and interior for a safe and reliable driving experience. Powered by the original 235 straight-six engine with full-speed equipment, including a Clifford 4BBL intake manifold with Holley carburetor, split exhaust manifold with dual exhaust, and Wayne aluminum accessories. It has a Super T10 4-speed transmission with an aluminum case. Complete restoration documentation is available, ensuring no bolts or nuts were missed.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
Number 15. 1957 Buick Century, priced at $13,500. Model 61 with a unique one-year body and split rear window design. Only 8,000 units were made, in very good condition, especially underneath. Equipped with power steering, a hidden stereo, and a CD player in the glove box. This well-maintained four-door car uses the original V8 364 Ci engine with 300 HP and dual Dynaflow exhaust. The car runs, drives, and stops well. Includes several new sets of brake pads, original hubcaps, new tires with wire wheel hubcaps. Ownership documents, recent used vehicle report, and history since '82 are available. The previous owner had it for 24 years.